Hi, my name is Aparna and today I'm going to be showing you how to make Gobi 65. First, you're going to get one large bowl of chopped cauliflower florets and add 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri mirch to this bowl. Then you're going to add 1 tablespoon of black pepper and mix them into the cauliflower florets like I'm doing here. After they are mixed, add 5 to 6 spoons of corn flour. And also add 3 to 4 spoons of all-purpose flour. Add 1 cup of warm water. Add salt to taste. And mix everything until you get an even consistency like this. Next, heat up some oil and add each floret to the oil one at a time. Fry them until they turn a golden brown color and then take them out one by one and place them on a paper towel to dry. Once you've fried all the cauliflower, it's time to make the sauce and veggies. First, chop up a few colorful bell peppers. Cut 3 green chilies. Cut around 1 cup of spring onions. Grate up some ginger. And set aside 2 tablespoons of garlic. To make the sauce, you're going to mix together 2 tablespoons of ketchup and 2 tablespoons of Maggi hot sauce together. Then heat up a pan with some oil and add the garlic to the pan. Next, add the grated ginger to the pan as well. And also add the chopped green chilies to the fry. You can then add some chopped red onions and also some of the chopped spring onions. Then add all the cut and colorful peppers. Fry everything together for 5 minutes on a high flame. After that, add the ketchup and Maggi sauce mix to the frying vegetables and mix it in well. Add 2 tablespoons of soy or Szechuan sauce to the mix. And also add 2 tablespoons of vinegar. After frying for some time, add 1 cup of water to the fry. It'll be liquid at first, but soon will turn into a thicker sauce. Once it turns into a sauce, it should look something like this. Now it's time to add our gobi to the sauce. Add the gobi slowly to the frying sauce and stir it in so that the sauce sticks to the gobi. If it's too dry, add 2 more spoons of Maggi, ketchup, soy sauce, and vinegar and mix it in. Finally, add some spring onions and cilantro to top it off. And that's Gobi 65. I hope you guys enjoyed the recipe and try it yourself at home. See you next time!